Hello from Slovenia again. Today it's time for reverse flower dip again. I will do some dots of paint. I have some reds and greens and of course my pearl white. I will do some dots with reds and greens and then I will put my napkin down, lift it, and we will see if we will get some nice flower. Hope so that we will. So I will measure my middle, because even though that I measure it, my flowers are never in the middle. I don't know why. Paints has their own mind sometimes. Okay, so I will add this yellow in the middle just to have an orientation, or how can I say, and I will start with that red right there, here, here and here, and I will go like that. Okay, and then I will go with some petals between. So this is my pearl white, and I'm adding other colors on the sides that goes towards the middle a little bit, not in the center of the dot, or how can I say. Okay, I will spray my napkin with water to soften it up. It's easier for me that way. Don't need to do that if you don't want to. You can use dry napkin, you can use saran wrap. Whoop, where are you? The other half Napkin don't cooperate with me today. I will tap this a little bit. And now I will grab the corners and the sides. Wrap it kind of like a present, and lift it up, and it's a little sideways, but I love it. Wow, she's beautiful. Love, love, love it. I just grab this dotting tool. Yeah. Happy, happy, happy. She's beautiful. So let me take you down for a close-up. I love how she looks really 3D. You can see it's like a dahlia flower, or how can I say, I see kind of a dahlia flower. Wow, love it. And the pink color was iridescent blue, red blue, so it will dry kind of reddish with some blue undertone, but I filmed this today, so I will not be able to show you the results, but if you want to see it, let me know in the comments and I will definitely do it in one of my next videos. But I love this shape, I really do. Yay! And it's not complicated. Who would thought that you can create a beautiful flower just with some dots of paint and napkin. Yeah, love it. So thanks for being here. Tell me in the comments what you think about it, and see you again on the next one. Bye.